The link between yawning and empathy. Have you ever noticed that when you see someone yawn, you often find yourself yawning too? It turns out that this phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, might actually be a sign of empathy. Studies have shown that people who are more empathetic are more likely to catch yawns from others. This is because contagious yawning is thought to be an unconscious mimicry of someone else's behavior, which is a common trait of empathetic individuals. So the next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else does, don't feel embarrassed. It might just mean you're a highly empathetic person.